You are listening to an episode of The Faithful Sinners. Welcome back. This is actually felling day number 6, the final day of knocking down all the different trees that are throughout this area, and then also uh, down this area here as well by the shed. So it's opened up a lot of space for the sun to come through, which is awesome. What I wanted to do today is basically this tree here that you see the chainsaw next to, get that tree down, ideally have it go straight down the path. It's already kind of got a lean to it, so it should be relatively straightforward. But as Murphy's Law goes, anything that shouldn't happen will most likely happen. So I will be prepared for that just in case. With that, the wind is blowing a little bit, seems to be blowing kind of that direction, so that should be okay. Not blowing backwards towards a house or anything, which is really the only primary concern I would have at this point. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching these different episodes. These are primarily just DIY stuff that I do during my downtime. This is being rapidly progressed a little bit over the last few days because next week I actually begin tomorrow my 8 to 10 week course for project management certification, along with it, construction project management certifications as well. And I'm wrapping up this evening after finishing this task with getting my AI certifications with Google as well. So, trying to leverage time that I have right now while I am still searching for my long-term career goal job, and with that, hopefully, finding that these certifications will make that search a lot easier, and along with it, uh, validate the income levels that I should be earning. As far as the wind, obviously, it's kicking up here a little bit, so we have to put a rock or something to steady. And while I step aside to do that, I will hopefully be able to cut this video up a little bit so I can do speed run of the video for you, and you're not having to. All right, so now I will tighten up on the come along here a little bit, give it some tension, hopefully give some more reason for it to go this direction. Bingo. Exactly where I wanted to go. Should have actually staked this one, marked a stake where I planned it to land, because that's it. Like I said at the beginning, this is the end of this series, and hopefully you've had some enjoyment watching me do some things that I do in my private time. Also doing it to help a buddy, as we should be helping our neighbors and our friends and doing what we can, especially instead of sitting on a couch playing a bunch of video games, uh, watching TV, or going out hanging in bars and all the other things that can be done. Uh, finding ways to keep yourself active, and in addition to it, promote the kingdom of God and what it means to be a brother and friend in our community. So please do me a favor, go ahead and share this episode so we can all sin better together. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Faithful Sinners with Timothy E. Baker. And don't forget to visit us at thefaithfulsinners.com.